A very wonderful good morning to all of you. I hope you all are good at home. So, today I'm going to take the topic of laws of exponent from chapter 12 Exponents and Power. Now, today we will learn about integers as exponent. What is that? Negative integral exponent. For any non-zero rational number a and a positive integer 3, we have a raised to the power minus 3, that is equals to 1 upon a raised to the power 3. For example, a raised to the power minus 3 is the reciprocal of a raised to the power 3. Now in this chapter, if a power is in negative, so it is very difficult to write the power in negative and how to calculate it. So that's why we will reciprocal it. So that's why I can write 1 upon a raised to the power 3. If suppose a raised to the power minus 3, then how can I write minus? I can write a raised to the power 3, a 3 times, but I cannot know about how to write a raised to the power minus 3. So that's why we reciprocal it to write negative integer in a positive form, then we can reciprocal it. So that's why I can write a raised to the power minus 3 is equals to 1 upon a raised to the power 3. Now in this example, 2 raised to the power minus 3, I can write 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3. So that is equals to 1 upon 2. How many times I have to write 2? 3 times, because its power is 3. So that's why when I calculated, that is equals to 1 upon 8. Now we will learn or understand laws of exponent with integral powers. Now the first law of exponent is a raised to the power m multiply by a raised to the power n, that is equals to a raised to the power m plus n. In this case, when bases are same in multiplication, when bases are same, powers will be added. So let us take one example. 2 raised to the power 3 multiply by 2 raised to the power 4. Now in multiplication, both bases are same, bases 2 and the powers are 3 and 4. So that's why in multiplication, when bases are same, powers will be added. So that is equals to 2 raised to the power 3 plus 4. That is equals to 2 raised to the power 7. When we have to write in exponential power, we can write like this, 2 raised to the power 7. When we have to find the value of it, so I can write 2 7 times and then we can multiply it. Second law of exponent, that is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, that is equals to a raised to the power m minus n. In division, when bases are same and powers are different, so in division, when bases are same, what we will do? We will subtract the powers. So I can write 2 raised to the power 8 minus 5. That is equals to 2 raised to the power 3. When the question said you can write in exponential form, we can write till here. When in question they said find the value of it, so I can write 2 3 times and then multiply it, then answer will become 8. Next is third law of exponent. In this, a raised to the power m multiplied by b raised to the power m, that is equals to a multiplied by b raised to the power m. Now let us see the example. 2 raised to the power 3 multiply by 5 raised to the power 3. In this case, powers are same but bases are different in multiplication. So I can write base in the bracket 2 multiply by 5 and put the power out of the bracket, and that is equals to 10 raised to the power 3. Next, fourth law of exponent, that is a raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. But how it is? Now let us see one example. 5 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. How? In second law we have studied when in division, when bases are same, powers will be subtract, and we can write in fraction form. When I am write 5 raised to the power 8 divided by 5 raised to the power 8 in fraction form, that is 5 raised to the power 8 upon 5 raised to the power 8. When we convert in the lowest term, it will become 1. And when we use the second law, 5 raised to the power 8 divided by 5 raised to the power 8. Now bases are same in division, powers will be subtract. So 5 raised to the power 8 minus 8, that is equals to 5 raised to the power 0. So that's why a raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. Fifth law of exponent is a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m, that is equals to a upon b raised to the power m. In this case, powers are same in division but bases are different. So I can take the example 2 raised to the power 3 upon 5 raised to the power 3. So I can write in the bracket 2 upon 5 raised to the power 3. Sixth law of exponent. A raised to the power m again raised to the power n. So I can multiply the both powers with the base. Now let us see one example. 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 5. Now I can take 2 as a base and multiply both the powers, that is 3 into 5. That is equals to 2 raised to the power 15. It means when the powers in the bracket we can multiply it. That is called sixth law of exponent. I hope you all will understand all laws of exponent very nicely and implement in your questions also. Thank you.